Hey everybody, an atrocity has occurred. You can't get away with this. We are at the MTNA conference with 1,500 music teachers. These pianists have been trained to do a score analysis, so it's irresistible to analyze what has happened here. Most people wonder if this is real sheet music, and it kind of is. There was a journalist in 1972 who wrote an article in the paper and called out to the owner of this building, Mr. Schmidt. It belonged to the Schmidt Music Company, and said, "Your wall is ugly." She finished the article, "Mr. Schmidt, the point is, make that wall sing." And so he did. It cost, in today's money, an equivalent of almost $100,000 to do the project. The way they did it was they took large sheets of paper and they put reverse graphite on it, put it up on scaffolding and put it on the wall, left the impression, and then painters came in and filled it in later. Let's go ahead and talk about what the problem is with this song. This is taken from an excerpt of a piece from the composer Maurice Ravel, a French composer, and it came from Gaspard de la Nuit. I don't think I pronounced that correctly because I'm not French, but the third movement is Scarbo, and this was taken from Scarbo. I'll show you why it bothers pianists, because you can't play this song. Mr. New owner of the building, I propose that you put a gigantic play button so we can all hear it. If that sounded a little disjointed to you, well, it's because it was. As I started analyzing this, I realized there's repeated sections over and over, the same identical thing. And as I put them all out on the page, I realized that it didn't go from side to side like I initially thought, but up and down like a sheet of music. So I compared it to the sheet of music, and I realized that this blue section came from measure 430. Then they skipped a line, then put the green section, skipped a line, put the yellow section, and that's why it sounded disjointed. Ironically, yesterday I got to meet the new owner of Schmidt Music and asked him about this. He said it's because it looked better on the wall. And if you guys have any really interesting facts about this wall, please put them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video.